Shree Jain Youth League has donated 10 million shillings to Thika Level 5 Hospital to expand its ENT unit and purchase equipment for the eye unit. Thika Level 5 Hospital Board Chairman Dr. Raju Mahindra said that the donation would go a long way in helping more people access good and quality ENT healthcare within the facility. The current unit was built 20 years ago by the same donor and has been the only public health facility doing eye surgeries in Kiambu County. Mr. Milan Malde, the chairman of Shree Jain Youth League, said that the new unit will be a very big boost to the hospital, which served so many patients in the region. Thika Level 5 Hospital Medical Superintendent Dr. Robert Mochena said that the unit serves over 100 patients daily and does eye operations to over 20 patients daily. He said that the expansion of the unit would increase their capacity to serve more people.
He proposed that there's a need for an eye unit at level 5, and most of us are round tablers. We all got together and we fundraised and we put up that building. That was about 20 years ago. 20 years ago. And here again we are. Dr. Mohinder again approached us, and
we, in essence, I usually say we're a small little hospital because we have our clinic, our theatre, and our ward. So we are pretty self-sufficient. We're 2 ophthalmologists, 3 clinical officers, and I believe 2 ophthalmic nurses and a couple of other nurses. We have a 16-bed capacity, so 8 male, 8 female. On average, every day, we run eye clinics from Monday to Friday. So on average, we'll see about 100 patients. The numbers increase on days that consultants are sitting in, so it can reach 120. Every week, we tend to do between 15 and 20 operations on a weekly basis.
My name is Milan Malde. I am the chairman of Shree Jain Youth League. We are here to assist the Thika Level 5 in building and also equipping the eye unit which is here, which was done 20 years ago, and which will help the needy people of Thika. At the same time, the amount that we are here to donate today is 10 million shillings, which will also be looked upon, I'm sure, by the board and by the Thika Level 5 management in a great way to expand and help the people near to Thika. Also, just to mention, we as the Shree Jain Youth League have been doing the Shah Free Eye and ENT camp, which is normally held yearly, and it has been happening for the last 40 years. Obviously, COVID came in between, otherwise it would have been our 43rd year. But this April 22nd of 2023, we are going to have the camp, which is happening at Chania Girls High School in collaboration with Naidu Hospital. And this is to help the needy, the people who cannot afford cataract or ENT ailments, so that we can give them free services as well as free medication, and to sort any ailments out which people could not afford.
My name is Dr. Raju Mohindra, the chairman of Thika Level 5 board. We have here Milan Shah from the Jain Youth League, who have brought us today a check of 10 million shillings, which will be used to build and expand the eye unit at Thika Level 5 hospital. We shall also be using some of that fund to do an infrastructural expansion, and the rest of the funds will be used for equipment which can assist our ophthalmologists to provide better health care and services to our eye patients. I'm sure this will go a long way, and we shall make sure we protect it and take it to the people who need it the most. And it will help us to provide better services to the eye patients in this county and far and wide. When the eye unit was built about 20 years ago, now currently the number of patients and the number of cataract surgeries needed and other ailments have increased rapidly in our hospital. Our unit is the largest in this county, and in fact the only place where surgeries are done for eye diseases. So we needed this expansion, and it has come at a time which will help us provide better services for our patients.
My name is Dr. Robert Mushena, the medisup of Thika Level 5. Ophthalmology department in Thika Level 5 is a department which serves the whole of this region and the people even from further regions, because Thika Level 5 being the biggest hospital in Kiambu, receives so many patients, and we are very glad anytime we receive any support from our partners. We have many partners whom we are willing to partner with, and we intend to make sure that this project starts immediately after this day. Yeah, we have so many projects which are lined up. It's only that we don't have sufficient funds. We have departments which we need to expand, like the orthopedic departments. We also need to build units like psychiatry units, and there's a lot of work which needs to be done, and we'll be very glad if we can get any help from anybody. The ENT section, we see more than 100, depends on the day, on where we have the clinic, the walk-in, walk-outs. We have surgeries like 25 in our one single day, and the others which are outpatients more than 100, 150, and it has really given services to the people of this region.